It's Bojangles. Big ass catfish. He is awesome. He's all beat up. Our little parrotfish. You know how big Bojangles is? And we have him in a 55-gallon fish tank. He's huge. He was like 2 inches long when we got him. He ate all of my fish in my 10-gallon tank. Sucked. Oh, you're a big boy. It's Prissy. And it's Lance cleaning out the nasty fish tank. It smells like ass. Oh. We've got like an eel in there and he's like a foot long and he's going to be a bitch to catch. We've got another parrotfish in there too. We used to have 6 of them. Look at his gills, they're so cool. Glub, 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 glub. I love my fish, they are so cool. And Bojangles is technically my fish too. Parrotfish are Lance's.